My name is Alexis Tchakarov. I am an incoming first year with the class of 2026, and I'm from Concord, North Carolina. I love hanging out with my friends, watching TV shows, but most of all, I love doing taekwondo. So I started when I was 10. Now I'm a third-degree black belt. I recently got my third degree and I'm on my way to fourth degree. I've endured a lot of obstacles on my taekwondo career. I had hip tendonitis. I've broken a couple toes. I've been fortunate enough to place in all of my regional tournaments. The district championships I've won, I think, 12 times. The state championships I've won around 20 times, and then the world championships I've won 4 times. So I really enjoy doing work outside of taekwondo because it really gives me a different perspective, a different angle on working with people. While doing coat drives, food drives, Special Olympics, really allows me to see people that I'm not used to working with. I really just like to be able to work with all kinds of different people. As a first year at UNC, I'm really excited to just have new opportunities different from what I'm used to and really make those connections that I'm going to use for the rest of my life. I've learned a lot of life skills through taekwondo, such as belief, self-esteem, discipline, and those things really cross over into my academic life, and I definitely see it crossing over into my life here at UNC. I'm excited to use those elements to really succeed here.